Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a new Dollar Tree haul, Valentine's Day, and also Burlington Co-Factory. So let's start it first with Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 bottles, again, of Diet Pepsi. I'm always grabbing those. I don't know, sometimes I grab 4, sometimes I grab 6, I don't know. And then I picked up 1 bigger size of the Cherry Pepsi. And then, for Dollar Tree Valentine stuff, I picked up 2 of these. I got more of these pink foam glittery with the string, beautiful hearts. So let me put that here. Let me put that stuff over here, guys. All right, and then I picked up this in the craft section. These are the long wood dangling, decorations as hearts. It says love. They also have a different type of heart. And you could paint these, you could glitter these. You could do basically whatever you want. You could hang them up plain by itself. You could take them apart and put them on wreaths and mirrors and whatever kind of crafts you want to do. Super cute. I picked up this because I don't know 100% what I'm going to do with that yet. And then I picked up this cute little koala with the heart. They have other cute animals and stuff too. I picked up another one of these. I bought this last time. This is the one with the plaid heart with the glitter one. It says love. It's got the little bow up here. Let's see if I put that there. And then I picked up this one. My daughter said she had one like this with a different saying with the key. It's super pretty. These were gone when I went today. But this one says, you hold the key to my heart. Super, super cute. And they had another one that says something about love or something. It's super adorable. And then I picked up one of these bags again. This is those cute bags. Those big plastic bags you could carry light items in. It's got dogs and these cute, adorable cats. I just love cats. Cats are my favorite. Super, super cute. Love that. And then I have another one of these cute bears with the diamond eyes. Like rhinestone eyes. Super cute. And this is the purple one because the heart is purple and it says love. Super cute. See if I put him here. And then, guys, I picked up this really cute wood in the craft section, too. These cute, adorable bears. Like I said, you could take them apart, glitter them, paint them. You could put them in a baby's room. You could do so many different things with these. You could even hang them up like this. You could paint them different colors, glitter them, rhinestone them, whatever you like to do. So super freaking cute. I love the teddy bears. And then I picked up this sign. It says, sweet love. Super cute. They also have a hippo. They have a whole bunch of little... They have the red truck again with the stones on them. I have that, but that was in a haul, I think, last year or something like that. And then I picked up another one of the bears. It's got normal eyes this time. And this has the red heart with love. You see how this one's purple, this one's red? So I got that. Super cute. Another bear. Then I got this 3D, 3-piece, like it dangles. Looks like that. One's pink in the middle, like a purple in the middle, pink. And then the other 2 are red. And it's like a wreath heart. You can hang these up anywhere. Super cute. And then I picked up the pink bear. Super cute with the pink heart eyes. And you see the pink heart and it says love. So you get like the purple, you get the pink, and then the red over there. Super, super cute. Then I picked up one of these again. This is the big simple heart wreath. And I got this purple one. They also have it in red. But I got this pinkish, beautiful pinkish purple color. Super cute. And then I got the sign right here. It's like, like cloth. And it says, love you more. And it's got like the strings and the little stones in the middle. Super pretty. And you can also decorate it whatever you like to. I love that. I also picked up another one of those hearts. But this time, this is the red one, not the purple. Like the pink color. This is the red one. Super pretty. And then here's another purple. I'm sorry, pink. So you get pink and you get red. Super pretty. And then I picked up these. I seen them last time. I didn't bother getting them. And then something told me to get them. And they're for cake. They're cake toppers. But I decided to use this for other things. You can use this in plants, other crafts. It's like a metal, gold, beautiful, metallic thing. It says cake topper. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. It's got this beautiful heart. I love the writing in there. It's super pretty. And like I say, you don't have to use it for a cake. You can use it for like plants and whatever you want to do. And this one's a beautiful metal, a gold, and it says love. And these are the only 2 designs that I've seen at the Dollar Tree. Also, I found this Kool-Aid flavored. You get the 3 different Kool-Aid flavors of gum. So you get the red, the purple down here, and the blue. And I never saw that before. So it's Kool-Aid gum. So that's cool. And then I also picked up another one of these. I buy these all the time. The red glittered hearts. They have it in different sizes. You could tape these to your windows and decorate for Valentine's Day. And then also at Dollar Tree, I did pick up this sign right here. And it says, welcome to our home. This is real. This is love. This is life. And it says, this is us. And then at the bottom is, you know, has a saying at the bottom. Sorry, guys, I can't see it at the moment. I need to zoom in. But that sign was really nice. That's the only sign that I've seen. There was only one left. And then I found this pretty one. They have different styles with donuts and different things. I like this one. It says hearts and hugs. And you get like a red metallic heart on the inside. Super pretty. They also had an X and an O with hearts. I was going to buy that one, but I didn't really like the way it looked. Then I found this cute sign with your pets, and has the paw prints, and it says your heart belongs to me, and it's super cute. And that's cute for pet lovers. And then I got this cute one for pets. It says home sweet home, and it's got the little red glitter paw prints. Super cute. Then I found this big size box of kids toothpaste. So this is a kids toothpaste, and I also like using kids toothpaste for myself. Sometimes I like the berry flavor, the bubblegum, cherry, strawberry, stuff like that. And I would use that on myself sometimes. And then I picked up 3 boxes of these. I found them way up at the top shelf. This is the name brand Kiss My Face Triple Action. This is a huge big size. These cost way more in Target and other stores. The Kiss My Face is a good brand. I bought 3 boxes of those, of the Triple Action toothpaste. And then the last thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree was this Vacancy DVD. I have this movie already. This is a really good scary thriller. It's really crazy if you've never seen it. It has Luke Wilson in it. It's a really freaking good movie. And like I said, I already had this movie already, but it was just left there, left behind. And there was only one left, so I grabbed it. So I have an extra copy. And then, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this fast. For Burlington Co-Factory, I picked up this big Badea. This is the Sazon Tropical. It's like a sauce marinade. So I got that at Burlington. Also at Burlington, I picked up more of these. I actually got 8 bags of these 2 different flavors of the gummy bears. I love these. So this is the ultimate with 8 flavors. And then this one's the island kind. But this has all the delicious flavors. They're extremely soft, chewy, and they're full of fruit flavor. They're really, really good. So if you love gummy bears, check out Burlington and try it out. I bought this really big thing of lotion right here. This is the Lavender Collagen body lotion. And then I picked up this, the S2 tomatoes. This is like a detoxifying cleanser for your face. I picked that up at Burlington. Here's another bag of the gummy bears. Like I said, I bought 8 bags. The rest is over there in the other bag. I did pick up this box right here of the 3-piece mascaras. So I never try those. I don't know what they're like. And then I picked up this tube right here. This is detoxifying, like a clay mask from Spascriptions. And then I picked up this big, huge tube of charcoal and tea tree peel-off mask. So that's a peel-off. Hold on, guys. Something was leaking in my bag for a second. One of my products, I guess the lid came off and it's leaking. And it's this product here. I bought this turmeric and honey mask for your face. Sorry guys, something was leaking in my bag. And then I picked up this big bottle of witch hazel and lavender face toner. It's called Glow Me Up. And that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Burlington. So anyway, thanks for watching this Burlington Co-Factory haul and the Valentine's Day Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for more of my videos. I will be doing more soon again, as always. Be safe out there, and I will talk to y'all guys later. Have a good day, guys. Bye.